students, welcome back to our English class. So in this video we are going to learn English subject. Okay, so this video is for class 4th A1 and A2. The topic is lesson number 2. It's in page number 91. We are going into a new lesson, session 26 and part 1. We are going into a new lesson. Okay, so this lesson is in page number 91. So the topic of today's lesson is a lesson to save. So in this lesson we are going to learn the importance of savings. Okay, we are going to learn how to save and the importance of saving. Okay, so as a human being, what we have to save? We have to save food, water, electricity and money. Okay, so let's move on to the story. So the character of the story is Amir. He is a boy. Okay, so he is just going to the playground. On the way to the playground, he saw dirt thrown out of a pit on the ground. He saw some dirt thrown out from a pit. Okay, so he went near it, but surprisingly, he went near it and saw a small rat-like creature. He saw a small rat-like creature. It is a rat-like creature, but not a rat. Okay, it just has the resemblance of rat, but not exactly rat. Okay, he called out, "Hey, who are you? What are you doing in there?" So Amir, he just started a conversation asking about the rat-like creature. Okay, the creature came out and took a glance at the boy and said, "I am a mole." So that rat-like creature, it came out from a burrow and it saw Amir and said, "I am a mole." So mole is a rat-like creature. Okay. So I am digging a burrow to catch the earthworms. So what that mole is doing? The mole is digging a burrow. For what the mole is digging a burrow? To catch the earthworms. So earthworms are the food for mole. Okay. And the mole saved them for the upcoming season. Okay. For the upcoming winter, the mole is saving the food. That is earthworms. Okay. The next para. Interesting. How do you catch and save them? So Amir is asking about the tricks used by mole to catch the earthworms. Okay, the mole replied, "I dig worm traps along the tunnels. When the earthworm cross it, they fall into it. I will bite and paralyze them and store in the tunnel to eat later." So what the mole replied? The mole will dig worm traps. So in Tamil we can say it as valai. Okay, so the mole, it digs worm traps along the tunnels. So when earthworm crosses the worm traps, it fall into it, and what happened? The mole will bite and paralyze them. What is paralyze? It will make that earthworm to it will make the earthworm not to move. Okay, so I will bite and paralyze them and store in the tunnel to eat later. Okay, so the boy asked, "How many earthworms will you store?" The mole replied, "As many worms as I can get." So as much as many worms as I can get. I don't eat all of them. I save them for using later. So the mole will eat some earthworms and it will store some earthworms for the upcoming season. Okay, it will save them for the upcoming seasons to eat. Okay, now I don't have any time to waste. I must build a lot of worm traps. See you later. The mole went inside the burrow. So the mole is not interested to waste the time. Okay, so it is not interested to waste the time by talking with Amir. So by saying this, the mole went inside the burrow and started collecting the earthworms. Okay, just then near the mole's burrow, Amir saw a leaf moving. He went near it and saw a small ant. The ant was carrying a big leaf. Okay, so near to the mole's burrow, what Amir saw? Amir saw a leaf moving. He saw a moving leaf. So with guessing, he went near it and saw a small ant. Small ant is carrying a big leaf. So the ant was carrying a big leaf. The ant yelled, "Get out of my way. It will take too long to go around your feet." So the ant is telling to Amir, "Get out of my way. It will take too long to go around your feet." So he asked the ant, "Hey, why are you carrying this big leaf? Isn't it easy to eat it and then go home?" So what Amir is asking, why do you carry this much of big leaf? Okay, you can eat or you can go home. Like that Amir is telling to ant. So the ant dropped the leaf and replied, "I am a leaf cutter ant." So what type of ant is that? It is a leaf cutter ant. I am collecting leaves for my colony. So not only for that ant, the ant is collecting for entire colony. Okay, group of ants. I can carry leaves that weigh nearly 20 times my weight. So the ant has the capability to carry leaf which is 20 times the ant's weight. Okay, Amir was surprised. He asked, "Do you eat leaves?" So Amir is asking with surprisingly, "Do you eat leaves?" The ant replied, "No, we don't eat leaves. We drink the leaf sap." So the ant is replying, it won't eat the leaf, but it will drink the fluid which comes from the plant. Okay, which comes from the leaf. We also use the leaves to grow fungus. We need the fungus to feed our babies. So they will also use the leaf to grow fungus. Okay, so after growing fungus, what they will do? They will take that fungus for their babies to eat. We also store the leaves for the winter. So this ant is also storing food for their upcoming season like mole. Okay, the ant asked, "By the way, do you, the humans, save the food that you need?" So ant is asking, "You are human, right? Are you saving any food?" Like that ant is asking. So Amir replied, "Yes, we also save food in granaries, but we need money to buy it." So we save food in granaries, but we need money to buy all those food. So we usually give importance to save money. So rather than food, we'll usually give importance to save money. So with money only we can able to buy food. What else do we have to save? Don't you have anything other than money to save? The ant is asking. Don't you have anything other than money to save? What and all you will save? After taking some time to think, Amir answered, "My mom asked me to save water, food, electricity, forest and fuel." So after thinking, Amir said to the ant that his mom asked him to save water, food, electricity, forest and fuel. We have a lot of things to save to make sure that future generation can use this. So we are saving our food, water, electricity, forest and fuel for our future generation. Okay. If you are not saving all this, our future generation will not able to use this. So we are saving all these resources for our future generation. So this interaction with the mole and the ants changed the way Amir thought about the things around him. Okay, so this interaction with the mole and the ant. So Amir got two conversation with mole and a ant, right? So this conversation changed Amir to think about the things around him. Okay, so earlier he let the fan run as he left the room. He let the water drip as he never closed the tap tightly. Now he always care and save the resources around him. So after talking with mole and the ant, Amir got the lesson how to save, the importance of saving. So after talking with the two creatures, Amir went to the room and he lit the fan, okay, and he switched off the fan. Then he let the water drip, as he will never close the water tap tightly. But after talking with the mole and the ant, Amir started practicing to close the tap tightly. Now he always care and save the resources around him. So Amir started to care and save the resources around him. So as we are human beings, we also have to save like Amir does. Okay. So we have to save food, water, electricity or money. Okay. So we have some glossaries meaning. Okay, we have 4 meanings. One is digging. Second one, traps. Third one, paralyze. Fourth one, sap. Okay, what is digging? So break up and move earth. Break up and move earth. Traps. Enclosure designed to catch and retain animals. Paralyze, incapable of movement. And sap means plant fluid. Okay. So I want everyone to learn all these 4 meanings. Okay. Thank you, students.